Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an Amazon Locker address to your account. This is incredibly useful if you want your packages delivered to a secure pickup location instead of your home, especially when you're not around to receive them. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in to your account. After logging in, you'll be on the Amazon homepage where we can start adding your locker location. Now move your mouse over to the top right corner where it says Account and Lists. Hover over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything related to your Amazon account. On the account page, look for the option that says Your Addresses and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores all your saved delivery locations, and it's also where we'll be adding the locker address. Once you're in the Addresses section, you'll see an Add Address button. Click on that to begin adding a new location. This will open up a form where you can enter address details. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of filling out the regular address fields, look at the top of this form. You'll notice an option that says or find an Amazon pickup location near you. Click on this option. This switches the form to help you locate nearby Amazon lockers or pickup points instead of entering a standard home address. You'll now see a search bar appear. In this search bar, you can type your address, zip code, or even a nearby landmark to find lockers in your area. Go ahead and enter your preferred search term, then press Enter. Amazon will now search for all available pickup locations near the area you specified. The page will refresh and show you a list of results with various Amazon lockers and pickup locations in your vicinity. Browse through these options and select the one that works best for you based on convenience and proximity. After selecting your preferred location, you'll see more details appear in the left panel about that specific locker, including its exact address and available hours. Once you've confirmed this is the location you want, click the Add to Address Book button in that left panel. This saves the locker address directly to your account, making it available as a delivery option for all future orders. And that's it. You've successfully added an Amazon Locker address to your account, giving you a convenient and secure alternative for receiving your packages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.